Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up with the here in the home menu. From here we just go into, you can see this bar right here and it says sign in. You just tap on that, tap on continue with Google, pick the Gmail address that we want to use for the account. It's going to load, and that's basically it. You can tap on the U menu, and here you have your account basically. And if you sign up, you get free shipping and a 90-day return thing, so you can return your items for 90 days. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.